Hello, today I'll show you how to create a new user account in Windows 11, including how to set up multiple user accounts. Step 1. Open Settings and access Family and Other Users. Right-click the Windows icon at the bottom left of the screen and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Accounts from the left panel. Then select Family if you want to add a family member or other users to add a normal user. Step 2. Add a new user without a Microsoft account. Under Other Users, click Add Account. In the window that appears, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Step 3. Enter new user information and finish setup. Enter the username, password, and re-enter the password. Set up 3 security questions and answers to recover your account if you forget your password. Click Next to finish creating the account. To log in, sign out from your current account, select the new user on the login screen, and enter the password. Windows will prepare the account, follow prompts for location and privacy settings. You've now successfully created and logged into a new user account on Windows 11. You can switch back to your main account anytime from the login screen. Thanks for following along. See you in the next guide.